Yo, folks! Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nicki Thiim. Today, I'm gonna take you for a ride, not only for a ride, but around the Green Hill, Nürburgring, Nordschleife. We just came home for the 6 hours of Nürburgring, the quali race for the big one, which is coming up in a couple of weeks, 24-hour race of Nürburgring. I'm gonna take you for a ride in my beautiful Aston Martin V12 GT3 car, which we're gonna compete in for that spectacular race, one of the highlights of the year, not only on German ground, but around the whole world. I'm gonna take you for this one lap. I'm gonna explain you a little bit of what I'm thinking, what I'm doing out there. We're gonna have some fun. So buckle up, because this is gonna be spectacular. Enjoy the sound, enjoy the track, the best track there is on this planet, and that's a fact. So folks, enough talking. Let's turn on the beast, the V12, and go for one lap. Enjoy the show!
So folks, here we are. We're gonna go for this one lap in the Aston Martin GT3 V12. On the straight right now, Grand Prix, Strecke, circuit. Starting the lap right now. Going past the box. Going into the turn 1, we're going to do the 24-hour version, which is the slow chicane right into a left. Already hitting traffic, which is great. This is why we love this race. All the different multi-classes in this race is just making this spectacular. Now we're going down the hill. We are luckily going to do the long version of the Grand Prix track, which is the fun part. So we're going to go down to Dunlop corner now. Use all the track. Rev the engine, use the power. Braking Dunlop corner on now. And very important to get a good exit here, because it's steep hill coming up. Again, good traction coming up to Schumacher's. Really cool corner. Small lift, and then you're in. Aim for the curb on the right. Use all the track, lean on the left side. Keep climbing. And again, beautiful flowing track. So basically left, right. Good combination. Use all the track again. Onto this back straight. Again, go through the gears. Shift at the highest possible point to maximize the power. Coming into the fast chicane, we're not using the F1 chicane. So fast left, right chicane here. And then we're gonna go on to the fun part. Nordschleife coming your way. Turning left. Going on to the Nordschleife where we are now. As you see, a lot of the track is resurfaced, which provides you with a lot of grip. It's a shame, in my opinion, because you take a little bit of the personality away of the track. You're gonna hit the yellow flag zone here, also a massive part of the race. Code 60, basically just running in the pit limiter. You got no safety car here, so just to make it extra safe, which is very important for the marshals, so they can work. As you see, there's a crash here, so the marshal can work in peace. Gonna go through here, gonna take off the limiter, and here we go again. Very nice section here, left, right, left. Very popular place for the spectators. Traffic coming up. Again, new surface here, so a lot of grip. Stuck behind the BMW. Yeah, see you. So coming up here to Flugplatz, it's called in German. This is probably more known for the crash of the Nissan, which didn't end up well, but this is so quick nowadays. You see, new surface, very much grip. It's basically a small lift, and then you flat out again. So this is all a long straight. Coming up to Armberg, but first we're going through this Svennkreuz, super quick. Just a small lift again. I went a gear down there, but yeah, probably don't have the balls to do it. Armberg, and now we're coming to watch Foxhole. Going down the hill, this insane compression. Very cool section here, basically making us straight out of it. Compression right here. Flat out, aim for the curb on the left. Coming up to this slow section now. Right, coming into double left-hander. And again, good exit is important here because we have a small straight here. Keep on going. Again, revving the engine as much as you can. Coming up to some slow traffic here again. On the middle of the track. Yeah, perfect. Just a small wave to show my love. The passion for the same sport, very important. Karl hat V12. So this is a double apex. Choose to go for the second one. This one is one you want to hit. Again, new surface. Again here, all the bumps are taken away, which is a shame. But again, it just makes it more fun on the other side because you got a lot of grip. Triple right-hander, coming down to the slowest part of Nordschleife. And then good acceleration out of here. Now to another really famous part of the track. Breitscheidbrücke, the city. Double left-hander going up the hill again. You see the elevation is insane on this track, which makes it so loved by all the drivers. Nicki Thiim corner. Easy flat. Left. The most important corner of the whole track coming up now, back corner. For me the most important one because now we are just really climbing, so enjoying the hills of in the Eifel, Germany. Basically long straight, just climbing. In the end you can actually hear the car struggling to get you up the hill. But again, enjoy the sound of this V12 Aston Martin. Coming up to what you call Mutkurve. Again, on gear down, really quick. And then a blind right-hander coming now. Braking late for this one. To take us up to the famous carousel. Yes, baby. So this is where I really feel old school, the bump. Look at this. Keep the steering wheel, hold it, get out of the carousel as smooth as you can to protect the drive shafts. Coming up now to the highest point of the track, my favorite part of the track coming now. For me, the only place nowadays where you can make a difference as a driver. So we're starting here, Hohe 8, this is where we are right now, right-hander. So this is a very technical section, but so much fun to drive. And insanely quick in a GT3 car. So this is a small lift, small tap on the brake. Right here, Wippermann, Eschbach, going down to Brünchen. So much fun, but so quick in a GT3 car. Again, resurfaced, lot of grip. A lot of grip. Probably the most popular place you see here, massive crowd, Brünchen. Use all the track. Again, up, down the gears, second, third gear, corners, all the way. Coming up to Flansgarten 1, this is probably the most insane stuff on the whole track. So from now on, this is Flansgarten 1, jump. This is all flat, guys. Small lift right here, but this is flat. And the speed we do here is absolutely insane. Flansgarten 2, jump, going through here. Wow. So nice to go through there. Brake late for this right-hander. Super much grip here. Going in for the left one. Coming to the small carousel now. Carry a lot of speed in. Use the camber of the track. Jump out of it. Second most important corner coming up now, folks, because we're gonna go onto the Döttinger Höhe now. Maximize the speed onto here because it's a long straight coming in here. Use the compression again here. Right there. And now it's just down behind the wheel and get the toe of the front guy. So this is the only place you can relax. This is where you talk to the team, the engineer, how the car is, how is it been going out there, because basically you have been doing around 20 Ks without talking to anyone, and this is where you can breathe and finally come down a little bit. But this is just such a stunning track, such a stunning event. 24 hours around here for car and driver is absolutely insane. And for me, the most spectacular, toughest race on this planet, without any doubt, both for man and machine. So folks, I hope you enjoyed the small round here. We're gonna pass the start finish line here. This is one lap from the practice of the quali race. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm gonna shut you down here. I hope to see you at the big event this year, 24 Hours Nürburgring 2018. Thank you for watching. Bye!